Welcome to Fab with Emma. I'm Emma, this is Fab. Okay, today we're going to learn how to peel a banana. Banana.
You get it from the bottom, retard.
No, this brown shit looking like thing. You're not start there.
Okay, yes.
You're going to hear a crack. Crack?
Yes, crack.
Peel! You're just going to pull down.
Wait, yes.
Pull down. So you have your banana.
Do the thing where you split it into 3.
Oh, don't know how to do
You
that.
stick your finger in the middle. Like that. Like that. All the way through. Push it through the middle.
Nah.
Like this.
I will.
And then it makes 2. And that one pulls apart into 2 more.
Long banana.
Do it so I can see you. You dropped it on my case, you little.
Can I eat it?
Pull it all the way apart into 3. Don't get banana juice on my... There. That's like 3. Yes.
Huh.
Yay, banana.
Next, we're going to talk about my cute purse. It was only $5.
I don't want it.
$4 at Icing in South Park.
Okay. That was cooking on Fab with Emma. Why is it blurry? It's all blurry.
Ta-ta.
Not anymore.
Ta-ta.
Bye.